Well, we're driving up here through Donner Pass, California. Not a lot of snow this time of year. For mid-January, you would think it would really be packed up here, and there's hardly anything. Definitely has not been a wet winter, and I'm guessing we're going to have a very dry summer. Probably a lot of forest fires or wildfires or intentionally set fires or whatever you call them nowadays. Let's see, we're currently at right about 7,000 feet in elevation. Yep, 7023 currently, I just looked. And climbing. At least the tractor trailers are running the right lane. Thank goodness they're doing that. Yes, I drive the speed limit. Well, there's the elevation now. 7,200 feet. But not a lot of snow up here. Doesn't look good. We need to get a whole bunch of snow up here in the next month or so. Downgrades, next 40 miles. Well, we'll let all the other cars burn their brakes up, and I'll just simply turn the overdrive off and let the transmission allow the transmission to let the engine brake and do the work. So I don't ever have to hit the brakes. Yes, this is the final drive for the 2001 Ford Crown Victoria here. Taking it to its new owner. A fellow out in Sacramento, California has bought it, and I'm meeting him halfway to drop it off, and he'll be the proud new owner of it. We've got another 40 miles to go. Probably drop it off and go grab a bite to eat, and then head back on home to Nevada. This is an excellent cruising car. I am gonna miss it. I know I'll never find another clean one like this again. But that's okay. I've owned it now. I don't need it anymore. It's been fun. And where I'm at, I really need a, more of truck, SUV, four-wheel drive, that kind of stuff anyway. Boy, all the gravel on these roads, imagine driving this road every day, the I-80, man, just pelt you with rocks and gravel and chip your windshield and everything else, your paint. Well, that's about it. A little bit of snow, not much excitement there. Alright, this here's the final voyage of the 2001 Crown Vic. Y'all be good out there, YouTube. Well, you can hear that gravel, huh? Probably hear it hitting the window. Alright, folks. Catch you later.